Hi friends, welcome to this channel. Here we are going to look at problem 2874, maximum value of an ordered triplet 2. This is a continuation for this problem, right? 2873. Here we are going to explain a solution using O1 space. Of course, the time complexity will still be O of n, where n is the length of the given list, right? So here, first I want to make a remark. So when we solve this problem, 2873, so we have taken into consideration of time complexity. And this is an exact copy of the solution to the previous problem. So here, let me just submit that to make sure it works in this problem, right? So with that done, now we want to move forward to write another solution, which is O1 space. Let me change this one to be version v1. And then I'm going to focus on the last element in the triplet, that is the index key. So first, I'm going to do this. So we are going to define height thin. So originally we just make it 0. And also highest difference. So also we set it to be 0. And we have an answer to be 0 because the minimum possible value for the return is 0 by the problem assumption. So now let's consider this part. So we can understand the triplets as a maximum difference before the index key, right? Then multiply by the corresponding number and the index key. So this will be our viewpoint for this coding. So now let's make a for loop for num in nums. So notice that here I didn't change this to be a, right? Because the code is very short. So first I'm going to check highest diff times the current number. So this actually for the first number or the first two number, this is pseudo, right? But it will absorbed in the generic case. So if this is greater than answer, so I'm going to change this one. So let's see, we just set it to be highest diff times num, right? So this is the one. Another case, after we did this check, what we do? So we want to do this highest thin, so minus the current number. And if this is greater than highest difference, then I'm going to return replace highest diff to be this number. So you need to see this code in a loop, in a queue. So because this will be used in the next round, right? So this is the one. Another one is that if num is greater than highest thin, so we are going to set highest thin to be num, right? So this way we can always have the largest triplet. So we just need to return answer. So this way we introduce the 3 variables, right? The answer is to be returned and this two intermediate one, so or running one. Let me run it. So we change this one to be v1. Now let's look at this solution. Yeah, it passes the 3 test cases. Now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes the generic case. So with that said, I guess that's basically about it for the current problem. So one thing I want you to notice is that when we write this solution, especially the 2 solutions here, so we used explicitly the assumption here. So the nums is strictly positive, right? So if we do not restrict the sign of element in nums, so we should adjust the 2 codes in order to take into consideration of the multiplication of positive difference and negative difference with the positive number and the negative number. That will increase the difficulty level of the problem, but still is very easy to code, right? So with that said, I guess that's it for the current video. Thank you for watching.